Staying in the loop with what your social media team is doing is a great and proactive way to make sure that you, as a business owner, are happy with their output. As a business owner who outsources your marketing expertise to other agencies, it can be really difficult and almost isolating when it comes to not being involved in the idea generation, content creation, or even scheduling of your content. So always be sure to be up to date with what your social media team is creating and give them your feedback. This is a step-by-step guide of how to get settled on ZoomSphere. Let's start at the beginning. Receiving an email invitation. Your marketing team will need your email address in order to add you as a user to ZoomSphere. Once you receive the email invitation, simply click on the Join ZoomSphere button to create your profile. Account activation. After clicking the Join ZoomSphere button, you will be prompted to create a password, whereafter you can click on the Activate button to activate your account. Make 100% sure that your password also meets all of the minimum requirements. Once you're all set up, you can log into your ZoomSphere account from the web or from your mobile app. Once you're logged in, you'll see a sidebar with a lot of different features. On the left-hand side, you'll find the overall dashboard, workspaces, the chat, and the App Store. You'll only really need to worry about the workspaces and the chat. Within workspaces, you'll be able to see all the apps that have been shared with you. Depending on what your brand needs, you may see a workflow manager. This is where your content requests will get tasked to team members. A scheduler. This is where your content calendar will live and thrive, as well as where you'll go in for content approvals and feedback. A notes app. This may include anything from meeting notes to brand guidelines. And lastly, you may see an analytics app. This app will show you the insights of how the posts you've shared have performed. Moving into the post approval process. As a business owner, this is where you come in massively. Make sure to get your hands on your brand and give feedback to your social media teams. Let's dive in with approvals and requesting revisions. Emails. When someone mentions you in the comment section of a post, you'll receive an email notification. To open the notification, simply click on the Open button and you'll be taken straight through to the comment on the post. Your team may also send you posts for approval and feedback in the chat app. In this case, you'll receive a chat notification, and in the chat, you'll see the posts that are sent to you for approval. Straight from the chat, you can click into the posts and leave comments or tag team members. Or if everything looks great, you can go ahead and approve the post right from there. To approve, simply scroll down to the status options. You may see a few different options, such as to approve, to rework, or approved. Simply click the correct one and ZoomSphere will automatically publish content that is approved for the dates that they are scheduled on. To approve posts from anywhere while on the move, make sure you have the ZoomSphere app downloaded to your phone. And what's so wild is you can do absolutely everything I've mentioned in this video so far from the mobile app. From anywhere. You'll be able to send your feedback seamlessly in the chat function, or if you've approved the content, the status will change in the chat as well. Now let's take a deeper look into the chat feature. You can create direct chat rooms with anyone in your team if you need a private chat. This is a great way to have a lot more transparency within your team, which ultimately leads to a better work environment, a lot less stressful. Better communication ultimately ensures that projects stay on track, leading to timely and high quality deliverables that ultimately lead to successful marketing campaigns. So make sure to use ZoomSphere for all of the features that it has to connect with your team and provide all the feedback you might need to.